Hello, guys, welcome to Nana's Kitchen. So, today I am so excited to show you one way to prepare a cow feet. Okay, so I am a very delicate cooker. Okay, so first, what I like to do, I like the burning one because you don't want it to be too white because they have the other one is very white. So as you can see, they burn them or whatever they said, but it's burned. So you can ask for that. And then also you want to put some salt. The reason why you put the salt in there is to just, you see how this grease over here comes out, so it's easier to remove. I don't like the grease. Some people like it, they cook it like that, but it looks a little disgusting when you cook it with the grease. So you can do that. And then the next thing we're going to do, we're gonna cut some lime. Okay. Um, this over here. Okay, while we doing this, I'm gonna give you a tip. Some people do not um put hot water in the coffee, the coffee, but me, I like to do so. Reason why? Because this is not natural, 100% natural. So I just put the hot water. So I boil the hot water and then put some skin of the lemon. I put it in there, a little bit of salt, and you can choose to put some bay leaves to remove the strong smell because car food have a very strong smell. So you can do that. So I'm not gonna show you that process, but I'm gonna show you do this how to clean your meat. Okay, so take out some juice. So I want to get as much as possible. Okay, because you want that acidic taste in your meat. I think this is enough for now. Okay, as you can see the amount, because I have a good amount of meat, so I put this to the side. So next video I'm gonna show you how to make some good Haitian spice. So right here, this is some basil in there, and then I blend them with some olive oil and thyme, and then I put them together. Okay, so now what we're going to do, so this is one technique. You take your juice out, the old time fashion, you guys have the old fashioned thing. So don't ever, forget your old time, your old way of using things, in case. So right now I remove all of my juice and I drop them right here. And then that right now, if you have anything to do, you can leave your meat in the lime juice with the salt. Just leave it there for a while. It will be easier to clean up your meat. So okay, so that is one way you clean it. Some people, they cut the grease first and then they put the lime, but I like to do that, so to give my meat a little okay, and that's it. This is good from there. And then you scrape the black spot out. That's the burning spot. It is very good, guys. So you don't have to throw this out. This part I love. When it's cooked, forget it. It's the best part. Those are the fat. Okay, there we go. As you can see, it's bone with skin. Okay, make sure you take it out, and there we go. As you can see, in everything we do in life, there's a spiritual lesson into it. The spiritual lesson I get from this, I can compare myself, my ex me before Christ. Um, I can say that's how we used to be: dirty, unclean, very unclean, unpresentable. But the Lord Jesus Christ literally took his time with us to make us who we are today by his grace. So not only he cleans us, but he's using us. So it's the same way. So we can take lesson from everything, from the food we eat, water we drink, and everything we do around us. We can take a spiritual lesson to it.
Therefore, if anyone is in Christ, he is a new creation. Old things have passed away, and look, new things have come.
Now we're rubbing our lemon over. We're killing the meat.
What is the matter with you? I don't even know what that means.
Kill it. Scrub it and kill it, guys. Okay? So when you cook that food or that meat, the smell will kick you out the house. If you wanna stay in your house to have a good sleep the night of, you better rub it, kill it, put all your strength in there. Okay.
Don't kill it too much now.
Don't kill it too much because you want it to eat. Okay, guys, right now we're going to rinse our meat. Rinse it very well. So now I'm going to pour the hot water. Oh yeah, baby. Yes. So you can let it sit in there, but I choose not to. I'm going to remove it right now. Remove your meat from there. So some people choose not to put hot water because it might take a little bit longer to cook. But like I said before, I prefer the hot water to remove everything in that meat as much as possible. So guys, I do not use tomato paste, so I choose my best not to. Okay, so this is my tomato paste. So I'm gonna boil everything together with the meat, so like that. So this will turn into my tomato paste to give it that nice wonderful color. um you can cut them small, you can medium, it doesn't matter. So I don't have to take the seed out. Mm, it's not gonna kill you, it's not gonna, you know, grow inside your stomach. So those are fresh tomatoes from New Jersey. We went to cut some good. There we go. They don't have to be small because like I said, they're going to boil with the meat. So that meat gonna take a good couple hours to cook. So of course, who can forget this?
Scotch bonnet.
Yeah, mama. Uh, my husband don't like this at all. He hates it. But there's a way I cook it. He'll eat it without even knowing. You know? Ooh, that pepper. Man, that's nice. It smells so good. Okay, everything cut now. Put it to the side. Move my meat. Ooh la la. Haitian do not cook with measurement, guys. So don't ask me the amount of anything. Just we don't cook with anything. Pay attention. I'll put the description down there for you. You can see, but not with measurement. Like two spoons, 3 spoons. We don't do that. So we use our eyes. There we go. Put a good amount there.
I guess when God was creating Haitians, he made them with measuring scoops and spoons in their eyes and tapes.
That's it. So earlier you see this. It was a little bit hard because I put it in the freezer and that took a little bit from time to time. So now it's beautiful.
And what's that again?
This is olive oil, thyme, basil with some how you call that?
Parsley.
Parsley. Yeah,
Okay.
definitely. Fresh. The basil was fresh. I got it from my dad garden. So I made it myself. Of course. Lemon juice. I put all of them in there. So this is extra spicy if you want to add it. So I get the one with no salt. Reason why I took the one with no salt, when you add everything else, you don't want your meat to be too salty. So you can take the one without, salt.
And plus, too much salt is not good for you.
Yeah. So I put a little bit in there, guys.
Because ain't nobody got time for high blood pressure.
So by the way, this meat go into a Haitian legume. I'm preparing my legume. So this is going to a legume, okay? Legume with cow pie.
Cow feet. Oh, by the way, guys, be ready to learn some Creole because here and there she'll throw some Creole words and you're gonna be like, what?
Definitely.
Oh.
Maggi. Chicken Maggi. Chicken Maggi. So I use that one. It's very good, guys. I mean, some people don't like Maggi. You just everything you do in this life, you have to do it with modesty. That's all. Because sometimes we too exaggerate by not eating this and that and this, and we can't even replace it with anything because everything in this world, if you pay attention to them, there's some type of chemical in it. If you're not living in a garden where you plant your own thing, so believe me or not, you're not eating 100% organic. So we have to stop lying to ourselves.
And the words of Lamb, some scientific manifestation.
Put it together. Oh yes. So reason why I do not put it on my pot, I don't want to really scratch the bottom of the pot. So I leave it in the. Ooh, oh my God, that smells good.
I wish they had I wish they had a camera that can actually take the smell from the video and bring it to the audience. Seriously.
Can you imagine? That would be amazing.
What I'm smelling here, guys. Now I see what people sometimes they say, oh my goodness, only if you can smell it.
Don't worry, you can taste. Perfect. Perfect. So now I'm going to put it in my pot. Please do not put oil in this because the meat itself have a lot of oil. and you put that down there. Like I said, it's one way of doing it. Okay, one way of doing that. There's many ways, but I show you my way of doing that. And other Haitian people too, you cook it like that. Now, your meat is ready to go to the oven, the stove. By the way, one more thing.
Clove.
Okay? I think it drop in there. I want to wash it first. Wash it and then drop it. Not much. My husband told me
About 3 to 4.
yeah, 3 to 4 ish. Okay, tada, ready to go on the stove. To be continued. Now we put it on the stove. So one more tip: do not add any water for about 30 to 45 minutes. Let it cook by its sweat.
And also put it on low heat.
Very low heat. The last one, low heat. Okay. So covered. So what I'm going to do, because we see this little hole, you don't want that to stay because you don't want no air to go in your meat. So I'm just gonna take maybe a little piece of napkin, whatever, so to cover that part here. Okay, guys, and then the meat is ready. You can leave it. Okay, guys, like I said before, 30 to 45 minutes. So I'm gonna add some hot water in there. So you put the hot water because you don't want to mess up the flow of the meat. Put hot water. I put a good amount because I'm gonna let it sit there so to boil and so it relax. So right now it's not cooked yet. Okay, and we cover it back, and you will see the result soon. Okay, guys, so there we go, the final touch. So I put raw onion and raw. I like those to be raw, so you can put them before remove them from the plate, but I put them raw. Okay, so I'm going to taste it too, guys. I warn you, it's gonna take about 3 to 4 hours. Okay, it take a long time. Let me see that. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Baby, you want some?
Yeah.
Whoa, guys, this is amazing.
Yes, it is. And also, if you have a pressure cooker, we went the slow route. So if you have a pressure cooker, you could always put it. Guys, only if I could feed it through the camera for you guys. But it is so good.
Oh yes. Well, two for me. You know I will order. Guys, this is the final. If you have any question, any comments, leave it below. And then see you soon. Bye. Nana's Kitchen. Mwah.